Welcome to our tutorial on how to share your location on Facebook. It is now easier than ever to let your friends and family know where you are with just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Then, create a new post by tapping on What's on Your Mind at the top of your newsfeed. Next, tap the location icon at the bottom of the post composer. It looks like a pin and will allow you to share your current location. You can then select your location from the list provided or search for a specific place. This ensures that you can share exactly where you are with those you are connected with on Facebook. Finally, finish your post and tap Post to share it with your location attached. You can now easily share your whereabouts with your Facebook friends, whether you're on a fun adventure or just want to let them know where you are. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily share your location on Facebook and keep your friends and family updated on your whereabouts.